guys, good morning. We are set to go pick up the trailer. And look at this. It snowed overnight. That should make for a pretty interesting day. Let's get some. Right over there, so we'll hook it up and then let's get going. We got the trailer. We're an hour out right now. I'm really curious how this is gonna go. We're gonna check the underside before we do anything. See you guys in about an hour. All right, so here it is. A little early, so I'm gonna catch a glimpse before the seller comes here. But right now, it's got a spare on it. Just looking at it quick. I think this was this guy's daughter's car. Looks like we got a little missing piece here, nothing crazy. I mean, body looks really good, you know. Rear bumper looks pretty damn nice. Tires are pretty good. Oh, wow. Spotless. Spotless. Guys, this one's pretty fucking clean so far. Let's keep looking. Little body rust. Again, it looks really clean. Oh, yeah. Yep, kind of a leaky transmission, but subframe looks pretty good. Tires are actually a lot better than I thought they were gonna be. Let the guy know we're here and shoot him his offer. Oh, this dude pulled up in a BMW, super nice. I could already tell from the get-go he was gonna be a pretty good guy to deal with. Started brushing off the car.
So it was overheating, so my daughter kept putting coolant in it, right?
Yeah.
We bring it over here, the water pumps. So they replaced the water pump is new, the timing belts are new,
Yes.
the tension is new.
Yes.
And that must have, when they did all of that, it revealed the problem with the head. So I've got $1,600 into it.
Yeah.
Right, you're good, man.
All right. All right. Yep, check engine light, all that stuff. Hey, baby. Oh, she's stuck. All right, cool. So we actually got stuck in the snow a little bit. Guy was super helpful, helped me push it out. Said it's got an overheating issue, so we're just gonna take it around the block quick. I'm really just trying to see how that transmission feels. You see the check engine lights on, ABS is on. He was inaccurate about the miles in a good way. Only got $140,000. Listing said $240,000. Brakes feel pretty good. Go ahead and turn. Tranny feels pretty nice. Don't really hear anything too bad. Horn works. It's got a Bluetooth screen. Yeah, this fucker feels nice. I am definitely gonna take it. This actually turned out to be a little nicer than I thought it was gonna be. So that's really, really cool. All right, let's go ahead and pay the guy up.
So the fucking door, and you know, I can't really get out, guys. Oh, bye.
This is so stupid.
All right, so we got it on the trailer. Let's go ahead, let's tie it up, cinch it down, and GTFO. Let's go. All right, so findings. I ran this to try to see if it would overheat. Notice a big old coolant puddle. I'm looking, and I see a little bit of smoke coming up. Well, look when I do this. I was fucking around. Whoa! Thermostat housing is probably the fucking leak.
All right, so we're gonna do a little test drive right now. Feels really good. Response is snappy. I don't hear any suspension. No suspension clicking. Lights work, everything works. Feels really damn solid. I like this thing a bunch. Actually, funny enough.
So this is the part of the video where you're probably gonna expect me to say, I sold it for a bunch of money, I got this profit, I got this, that. No. I actually ended up really liking it a lot. driving it, finding out all the issues, turning out to be something super minor. All I gotta say is it ended up being a mission failed successfully. I'm really happy with it. So it was something I actually really did enjoy a lot. We'll see what happens with the car and me. That's all I got for this video, guys. Thanks a bunch for tuning in and catching up on this latest episode. Deuces!